Hello guys, welcome to OTS. I'm Ash Valoria. Today I'm here to very proudly delineate you all about the aspirants which were with us during their CDS preparation, and the results of CDS were announced yesterday, and we have got calls from our aspirants, and today we have come to this analysis and information that out of 14 students, 10 students of our batch have cleared this UPSC CDS examination. So first of all, big congratulations to those who have cleared the examination, and especially to those students who were from the batch of OTS. So guys, this is the proof of the efficiency of the meticulous syllabus and affordable and very reliable teaching which OTS provides to its aspirants. We promise you all that questions which we serve to our aspirants, which we delineate to our aspirants, and in fact which we delineate to all of you through the YouTube videos, they are not merely for the sake of making videos or completion of the course. They are basically the questions which we profoundly take out from our very deeply analysis, from the depth analysis of the subjects and the experience which our faculty possesses. Okay, questions from GS, questions in English, questions in maths, they all were from the sections which our faculty have delineated to our students. And in fact, in the previous videos before the CDS examinations, I personally made the videos for all of you guys and told the core areas relating to GS and English and maths, and many of the questions from those areas have emanated in the examinations. For example, you can check it out. There is my video regarding polity, in which I have told that the questions will be from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 of the constitutions in the polity sections, and maximum questions were from these parts only. In maths, I have told you guys that mensuration, volume, area, and these questions will carry more weightage in the examination, and it happened. Okay, and in English also, vocabulary sections were from the words from which we have delineated to our aspirants. Okay, so once again, this is the proof of the efficiency of Team OTS. So I recommend all of you guys that during the preparation of UPSC examinations, whether it is CDS or it is NDA or maybe it is CAPF or any other examination like MNS and all, you can rely on us, and we promise you to provide the best faculty and in-depth analysis of the subjects, of the courses, and the questions which we will provide. Okay, so all the aspirants which will be giving the CDS examination or NDA examination or maybe CAPF in the upcoming years, this is a chance for you to enroll in our batches, to pursue your preparation in a better way, in a very meticulous way, and in a very opaque way, which no one can share, even the UPSC. Okay, so this was the video for all those students who will be preparing for these examinations, and once again a very hearty congratulations to all those guys who have cleared the CDS examination, and especially very hearty congratulations to those guys who were our students and have cleared this CDS examinations. Once again, guys, let me tell you, out of 14, 10 students have cleared this examination from our batch. Okay, so it's I will say not very huge number, but percentage wise it's really huge. All the aspirants which were with us, which were in contact with us, they have pursued this examination in a better way and have tackled this examination and have cleared this examination. So once again, this is an opportunity for all of you guys to enroll with us, to learn with us, to learn with the best faculty and clear out your examination and to become what you dream of. So I rest this video here only, and wish you all the best for your upcoming examination, and hope you will join Team OTS. Jai Hind.